Good morning, children. Today we start the new chapter, and that is combustion and flame. First, what is combustion? Okay. Have you ever wondered why a candle burns when a light matchstick is brought near it? Okay. Uh, in this chapter, we will study the process of burning, the kind of flames produced during the burning, and the role of the different kinds of fuel in the process of burning. Okay. The commonly used the commonly used fuels are coal, wood, petrol, LPG, etc., etc. Okay. So the first is, what is combustion? Combustion is defined as a process in which a substance is burned. Okay. It is a chemical reaction accompanied with the evolution of heat and light energy. Uh, Generally, during combustion, a substance combined with oxygen of the air, that is carbon dioxide, carbon burns in oxygen of air to produce carbon dioxide. So, the combustion is the process of burning of a substance in the presence of oxygen. During the process of burning, heat and light are evolved. Example, carbon plus oxygen, carbon dioxide is produced, plus heat and light is also produced. However, combustion need not always occur in air. It can occur in some other gases also, that is antimony burn in chlorine gas to produce heat and light. Okay. Similarly, natural gas or the methane burns in air and form the carbon dioxide, water vapor and heat. Okay, when magnesium ribbon is burned in air, it gives off a bright white light in the form of white glow and produce a white powder of magnesium oxide. Okay. So the uh, above reaction, the substance that undergoes combustion are called the combustible substance. Okay. So uh, we see a lot of substance around us, but all the substance do not burn. The substance which burn when brought in contact with fire are called the combustible substance. For example, paper, straw, compressed natural gas, that is CNG, liquefied petroleum gas, that is LPG, kerosene, cow dung, cake, coal, etc. Okay. And the substance which do not burn when the brought in contact with fire are called the non-combustible substance. For example, stone, glass, cement, etc., etc. So, so uh, the substance that undergo combustion is called the combustible substance. Okay, a substance burn above its ignition temperature or kindling temperature. Okay, so the ignition temperature ignition temperature is a temperature, um, I specific some uh, I specific temperature is needed to burn a substance. Okay. You must have noticed that some materials catch fire very easily, whereas other take a longer time to do so. Okay. It is because a specific temperature is needed to burn a substance. It is called its ignition temperature or kindling temperature. The substance which catch fire very easily have a very low ignition temperature. For example, cooking gas, petroleum, white phosphorus, etc. These are also called the inflammables material. Other substance like wood, coal have a High ignition temperature. So, ignition temperature of a substance is defined as the lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire and start burning. The ignition temperature of petrol is much lower than the kerosene, since petrol vaporize quickly and catch fire. Okay. So, it cannot be used in stove. Okay. Condition for the necessary for the combustion. On the basis of the uh, above activities, we can conclude that in order to have the effective combustion, we must have the following condition, and the first is the presence of combustible substance. uh, Second, the presence of supporter of the combustion, and the third is the combustible material must be heated to its ignition temperature. So, the combustible substance is a substance that burn. In order to combustible substance is the main requirement for the combustion, and the supporter of the combustion, uh, combustion take place in the presence of supporter or combustion, which in air is oxygen. For example, during the combustion magnesium, charcoal and coal, air or oxygen is a supporter of combustion. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Complete and incomplete combustion. Okay. Uh, if there is enough oxygen to support combustion or burning process, the combustion is called the complete combustion. For example, fuel plus oxygen is equal to carbon dioxide plus water plus heat and light, sufficient supply. Okay. uh, okay, and the second is incomplete combustion. Okay. Incomplete combustion. uh, Okay, complete combustion means incomplete combustion takes place when there is a scarcity of oxygen. Okay, most of the common fuels contain a large percentage of carbon. During incomplete combustion, carbon monoxide is formed. This gas is highly poisonous and cause the respiratory problem. A large amount can be cause the suffocation and death. Okay. So, if there is insufficient oxygen to support combustion or burning process, the combustion is called the incomplete combustion. Okay. Fuel plus oxygen is equal to carbon monoxide plus water plus heat and light in sufficient. And the types of combustion. Uh, there are the two type of combustion, and the first is rapid combustion and second is spontaneous combustion. So, the first is rapid combustion. Okay. When we light a candle, a lamp or a gas stove, they continue to burn as long as the fuel is available. The process of combustion in which fuel burns rapidly is called the rapid combustion. And the spontaneous combustion and the explosion are also the form of rapid combustion. Second is spontaneous combustion. A piece of or white or yellow phosphorus catch fire itself when it is dry, even at room temperature. It happens so because the ignition temperature of the substance is lower than a room temperature, and the phosphorus are rapid react with the oxygen of the air at room temperature to form the phosphorus pentoxide. The combustion at room temperature without giving external heat, it is called the spontaneous combustion. Okay. I repeat, it is a type of combustion in which a substance burns suddenly into flames without any external heat or apparent cause. Okay.